Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again. Today in this very important video, we're going to understand that what is long position tool. So it is something which is I could say you which is most important because long position tool is something which you should must know before understanding how the trading works actually. And the pre-requirement is you should have to know what is the risk to reward ratio. If you haven't knew about it, then you can visit our channel and you will find a risk to reward dedicated video on that topic. So let's go. So don't worry if you, I will also gonna cover a little bit about the risk to reward ratio, right? So we're on the chart of BTC and let me switch into the 15-minute chart. And so long position is something when you have actually taken a long side movement, then it could actually help you to put your trade in the right risk to reward ratio. Let's catch up a scenario that then first of all where you will see it, then that is the positions where you have to just simply click, and uh, there is a tool called long positions. You have to just click it once, and let's say we got the trade from here, right? So from there, I think that the market could actually uh, go in the upward direction from here, and that was my risk point, and that was my reward point. Just take an example, okay? So that was my, you can expand it up, okay? That was my uh, target price. So if the prices hit that line, so my target will be achieved, and I will successfully exit from my trade. And if my SL is hit, then I will exit from my trade. Okay. So that is what long positions actually mean. So if you see that there is a factor which is risk per reward ratio. So that exactly means how much money I can I can afford to lose to earn that issue kind of money. So if I will explain you in the simple language, then if you have a 1 rupee, if you are willing to lost your 1 rupee, then and if your SL is heated, then you will lost your 1 rupee, and if your target is heated from the buy side, then you will have 3.64 rupee. So that is actually the risk to reward ratio works, and you will see the open PNL positions and quantity and all of that things. So basically that was the main thing. And so risk to reward ratio, you have to maintain at least 1:2 risk to reward ratio before entering into a trade, because what will be the your profit if your risk to reward ratio is like 1:1. So 1:1 risk to reward ratio is something, if you can afford a 1 rupee loss, then you will uh, you know earn 1 rupee from the market. So that is not a valuable trade, that is not a good trade to be practiced, and you have to work with at least 1:2 risk to reward ratio. That means if you can lose 1 rupee, then but on the contrast of it, you will earn 2 rupee from the market. So I'm just taking an example of rupees, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, but that could even actually end up in lakhs or crores, right? So I think you got it. So let me just show you again, and on the any contrary example. So let's take an example of there. I was thinking to hit my profit level like that, and that was my SL level. Okay, so there is a trade where my SL got successfully hit, because I was thinking that the price is going to upward and hit my that particular kind of line, which is called as a target line, and but the price didn't, and the price is just moving downward, and my SL got heated, right? and that is the positions where my risk to reward ratio is approximately 2.9. You can consider it 3. That means that if the price is going upward, then I will earn 3 rupee, and if the price is going downward, as per the against of my trade, then I will end up losing 1 rupee on the contrast of earning 3 rupee, right? So that is what the risk to reward ratio, and that is what the long the long positions actually work. So we're gonna understand the next video what is short position actually work. Make sure that you watch the video uh, also, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.